Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install a stable Gcam for Xiaomi 13T. You can see right here I have 13T running on HyperOS Android 14. So I'm going to show you the stable Gcam for Xiaomi 13T. The size is like 400 megabytes and I've tested it myself and everything works perfectly fine. The ultra wide works, standard camera works, the telephoto, which is 2x, works. Even the front camera is as well very good, more than the stock camera. These are the quick samples I took. The first one is the ultra wide, the second one is the standard camera, and third one is the telephoto. The pictures look pretty natural. Even the weaker 8 megapixel ultra wide looks pretty sharp. Anyway, that'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.